Hi everybody, welcome! In this video we are going to talk about the new features in Figma. Yes, new features. AI, we are going to work AI in Figma, exactly in Figma. Figma has introduced some new features and that is very amazing and interesting. So if you have updated your Figma, you have seen this new lovely UI. Yes, this toolbar came to the down. And at the end of that, you will see, yes, you can see star. When you press on the star or press Control key, you will see a list. So let's go and see what are the new features. The first one is first draft. When you press on that, you will see 4 options: basic app wireframe, basic site wireframe. So the first one, let's test one by one. So here I have a prompt. I write, for example, online shop which sells clothes with a search bar on the top. You can press make it or Control Enter. Let's wait to see what is going to happen. Wow, amazing guys, amazing. It means that you don't need to create a frame. It means that maybe you lose your job. That would be dangerous. As a UI designer, as a UX designer, that's very dangerous. So here, as you see here, we have a search bar. Here we have the clothes gallery, the prices. Wow, amazing. And also a nav bar. So after the result, you can see some options here. When you press on each of them, you can see something will happen. The fonts, yes, will change when you click on them. Also the radius, the fonts, the color. For example, this one is the dark mode one. I press on the blue one, okay? Here you can see make changes. When you press on that, again, you can change the colors. If you see that, for example, on the menu, we can change the colors: blue, green, black. Also here, dark mode, light mode. I choose, for example, the black one, yes, or the blue one, or the green one, as you see that. Here, when you press this one, you can change you can change the radius. See? Wow, amazing. Look at this one. You can change the radius. Wonderful. Wow. Here, you can change the spacing between the sections and so on. Wow, amazing. And with this one, you can change the fonts. If you see that, guys, when you press on them, you can change the fonts. Very nice, very good. Also, you can add a prompt here. For example, I write, add a big picture like a hero section on the top. Let's see what will happen. I write the big picture on the top like a hero. Wow, amazing, wonderful. I really shocked. That is the power of the AI in Figma, and you can use it. You can have too many or many inspirations from this AI tool. Amazing. You can get new ideas and so on. So very good. Let's test the other ones, guys. The next one, when you press that, you have app wireframe. For example, I write an online drugstore with free, for example, delivery. Let's see what will happen in the wireframe. So I think we are going to see a wireframe. Very good. Low. Let's see what will happen. Very good. Very nice. Amazing. Yes. You can get ideas from these for example, wireframes. If you go narrow down, you will have the better result. So also you can add some changes on each prompt. And the next one, guys, first draft app wireframe is basic site. It means that, for example, I need a landing for digital app store. For digital, for example, devices, it's better. Let's see what will happen. That the result would be interesting, also like the others. Wow, amazing. That's the landing one for digital. Very good. I really love it. That's very interesting. It means that the good news is that that's a beta one, yeah? It means that in the future it would be better and better and better and better. And your job will be so nice and so easily. Very good, interesting. The menu one, also the distances, that's very good. Choosing the pictures, that's the lovely landing. I love it. So it's downloading the images, and that's the first image. Very good. Amazing. Amazing. Thank you, Figma. Thank you very much. I really love this interesting app. It gives us more energy. It makes us makes our job easier. So you see, when you click on that, the fonts, also the colors, everything will change. For example, if you love this one, you can have some changes also here again, like the radius, like the spacing, like everything, like the fonts. I love it. And you can add more prompt, okay? More prompt. That's very good. For example, you can choose this one. I will explain this one in the next section, okay? Hold on it to see what's that. And the last feature, first draft, basic site, is it's site wireframe. Yes, site wireframe, for example, I write, for example, a website which shows the result of Premier League. Yes, Premier League or Bundesliga, Premier League in England. Let's see what we'll see in the result. That would be amazing also. I'm sure about that. I'm sure about that. And I am very, very exciting. I am very exciting. I love you, Figma. I love you, Figma. Figma, you are amazing. That's nice and interesting. That's nice and interesting. Thank you very much. That's very, very wonderful. Guys, that's very wonderful. It's really interesting. So this is the first one. That's about the first draft. So guys, here, I press on this one. I have another feature here, or here, this one. No, this one is better. I click and select this one. Here I have a rewrite this. So, for example, shorter, more casual, you can write that, for example, more commerce. Let's see what will happen. Transform your digital commerce experience. You can write, for example, shorter. Let's see what will happen. Amazing. Amazing. Or more casual. Let's give your digital. Very nice. Very nice. I love it. I love these features. Also, guys, here we have, excuse me, you can change some, also again, you have make the changes. We have talked about that, but I want to talk about the translated. Here you have some languages, Arabic one. Let's see. لنمح تجربتك الرقمية تحولا جديدا. For example, let's see, what is top performance in the Arabic one? Translate this to Arabic. Top performance. أداء متميز. Very good. Let's change it to, for example, German one. I know German. Translate this to German. Let's see. Geben wir einer digitalen Erfahrung eine neue Wendung. Very good. I love it. That's interesting. That's amazing. That's amazing. Thank you, Figma. Thank you, Figma. So let's rewrite this. We have talked about the translate, for example, shorten. It means that it makes it shorter. The one more thing, if you click on this one, you see some layers here. Yes, the name of the layers here. When you click on here, you can see that, where is that? Rename the layers. So when you click on that, first select some layers. For example, I select this layer, and then I press no layers need renaming. It means that the renaming of these layers are very interesting. I have one thing here, for example, this one. Yes, let's rename this one. Excuse me, this one, rename layers. Let's cancel it. I select this frame, this one completely. As you see that, frame. We have frame, yes? So I choose this one and say rename layers. Look at here, look at on the layer one. Let's see what, here we have 40. Wow, see, if you see that, all of them has changed. Undo, see this layer, guys. Again, let's test it again. Rename, look at here. Thank you, Figma. That's amazing. Guys, see that? The whole frames are changed. That's wonderful. That is wonderful. Also, you can make image, guys. So let's come back here. For example, here we have a frame. I say that make an image. For example, I write, for example, a young boy, who is learning Figma, for example, in the jungle. Let's see what will happen. That's things. That's we're talking about the Figma, and let's see what would be the result. Waiting for that. What's the result, Figma? Come on. Wow, that's it. Also, guys, you have some more options. See, but I write Figma. I don't know what's that. It would be Figma. Maybe I write this one with Figma designing app. Yes. Let's see. Let's see what will happen. It would be better, maybe. Yes, it would be better. It would be better. So exactly this would be better. You can make changes. That's better. That's better. Very good. Okay, guys, the next feature is removing the background. So let's see what will happen. Remove this background. Let's see the result. I think it means it is very interesting. I love this feature. It means that we don't need Photoshop anymore, and it would be better and better. Just pay attention to this thing, to this one. This is the beta one. Let's see. For example, let's delete this one. Let's see what will happen. Amazing, amazing. And this one, we can change this one. Wonderful. Wonderful, guys. And we can test on this also. I want to see the result. So remove background. Sorry. That's beta. It would be better, guys. But that's excellent. I love it. It's very, very interesting. That would be really helpful. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Also, it has another one that's about the prototype. Make prototype. So, for example, when you have some layers that are related to each other, you can select them and say that make prototype. When you press that noding, if you see that, here is it noding, and the prototype is working. So when you have more and more options, more apps, more pages, so with this option, especially when you have your naming is very, very interesting, it would be wonderful and amazing. Thank you, guys, for watching us. Please introduce us to your friend, give us a comment, press the like button, and give us energy if you like us to make more videos. Thank you. This is Dimo. I love you all.